futures at us. Ads. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I do believe we have some news today. I am trading this Lucid. It's one of the new accounts. So there is a sale right now. It's 40% off all of the Lucid Flex accounts. And please use code Terri for that. And also with My Fund of Futures, Take Profit, Tradeify, Lucid, and Trade Day. Yeah, so this is a new type of account. So I was thinking today it would be fun later on if we go over some of the rules together. Yes. This is new to me too. So this is my first eval of the Lucid Flex. So we will see how it goes. I am in short right now. So don't copy me, obviously. That goes without saying. But yes, I like to smash and pass evals. I know it's bad habits. This is so true. I do not recommend it. So that is what I'm doing right now. So we will see what happens here. I did like this inside bar rejection. I kind of front ran it. And so we shall see. So I like this inside bar break down here. So rejection, like it failed up here. I did front run it because I was thinking we would sell off a little bit before the news. We do have news this morning. Let me check. And then so typically I would target a 1-to-1, and then I was like, you know what though? If this bar fails, then I like a 1-to-1 off of this bar rejection. So that's why my TP is down here. Let's see here. Yes, oh my gosh, we have ADP, a non-farm payrolls, in about 15 minutes. Excellent. Excellent. I like this trade even better. Good morning, Green, K Futures, Ads, KJ, Son of God Trades, Queen of Trades, Sire, Rocky Mountain, Adrian. Good morning, my friends. Yes, exactly. Thank you, Rocky Mountain. We do have ADP employment in 15 minutes. Seth, good morning. Good morning, everyone. So whenever this happens, I'm always like, oh, dang it, I should have taken profits. But it's okay. I still like it. So targeting about that 1-to-1 would have worked on that rejection. Let's see what happens here. Oof, it looks like we might get stopped out. Let's see. I have my stop right above here. I mean, if we zoom out, this is like a resistance area. Resistance, yesterday's high, resistance all overnight during Globex in Asia. But it's always like a zone, right? It doesn't mean it's like to the tick. So we might get stopped out, but that is okay. Wow, so we do have an outside bar here. Shout out to Pine Tree Trader. I don't know if he's awake yet. Good morning, Corey. It has been a minute. How are you, my friends? Good morning, Windmill. Oh, Rocky is reminding us that there's more news at 8:30, 9:15, 9:45, and 10 a.m. today. Woo! It is going to be a busy day. Good morning, Tris. Yes, if you haven't already, make sure you head to Terri Trades 100 on X for a chance to win a free 50K core account. I am giving away 5 on Friday after market close. I will be selecting the people over there. Yeah, 5 of them. My Funded Futures, so amazing. Thank you so much. Helping us grow our channel. And also tomorrow we have Alfred on. Yay! Alfred will be on the show tomorrow morning. He'll be showing us some gamma. Some gamma. I have Googled it. I've tried to learn about gamma. And it's like the rate of change of delta in options. Ooh, it looks like we're gonna get stopped out. Wow, what a big outside bar here. That was not expected, but that is why we have a stop. Okay, we're about to get stopped out. Oof, oof. Are we gonna get stopped out? Is it gonna take the stop? It might take the stop. Okay, Adrian says, Rocky, yes, I don't see it. I see EIA though, but I don't think that affects my gold trade. No, it shouldn't. Two different markets. Yeah, it shouldn't. Adrian, who are you trading with again? Good morning, ICT, not gonna lie. Yeah, Queen of Trades. It is a lot of consolidating. And let's take a look at zoom out. So the overnight range is only about 100. Is it 100 points? Yeah, it's only about 100 points. We are just trading towards the highs of yesterday. Yesterday was tricky. I swear, these markets almost every day, I'm like, ooh, today was a tricky day. It was tricky. Yeah, it was tricky because we just like pumped higher. We had this big pullback, made a new high, came back down, and then went back up. So I did make money in the cash, or it's not cash, it's because it is a margin account, my own personal live account that I am trading option spreads on. And it was a great day for option spreading, for selling out of the money options, which I did print money on. I sold a few out of the money um, call spreads on Nasdaq, and then I also bought a debit spread that I ended up losing money on. But yeah, it was tricky. When I saw that it broke initial balance on both sides, I was like, yes. And then I actually added to my call spread because it's statistically, if you look on my X account, I did share statistic from Edgeful. I think it's 76% of the time initial balance. So it's that first hour of the open in NASDAQ. 76% of the time, it only breaks one side through the New York session. So once it broke the other side, I was like, yes, because that's a lower probability that it would break both sides, right? And so once it broke both sides, I was like, ooh, I'm gonna add, I'm gonna add to my call spread. Yeah, that's how I kind of did it yesterday. I'm planning on selling another spread today. I am trying to do the compounding challenge, 10% on that small account. And I started with about $2,000 and now it's up to 3,800 something. Let's go. Oh, sweet. Adrian says it's on my fund of futures. Yes. Yay! You guys hit the confetti button. Adrian passed the count yesterday. Let's go, Adrian. Adrian saying, I just don't want to get out since I'm in profit and my stops are at break even. Okay, so with my funded futures in the sim funded account, you can trade news in the core and the scale. It's only the pro that you cannot trade news in the sim funded, which makes sense because there's no like payout cap with the payouts, like it's per trader 100,000. So and you can go max contract size in the pro. So right, it makes sense. It's like all these firms, it's like give and take depending on the account type. Yes, exactly, Rocky. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to learn. I am learning. Compounding is definitely the way to go. So if you take $2,000, you guys, power of compounding. You take $2,000, you compound it 10% each time. In 50 times of compounding, your balance will be over $200,000. And that's without adding any money into it at all. And here we are trying to compound like 300% in a week. And you can't detach the two. The high rewards equals high risk. So that means for us, that means like blown accounts, right? And lost accounts, lost monies. So it's like lowering that risk, which you guys, trying to compound 10% a week is still like crazy returns. So it's still high risk, even going for 10%. And that's why on my X account, I was like, when I started sharing this challenge, I said to the moon or to the ground. Most likely to the ground. I'm just being completely honest. But I'm hoping, obviously, I'm hoping to the moon. Yeah, thank you, Rocky. Good morning, Jeff Smith. Oh, it is a pro account. Sweet. Did you pick one up from the Black Friday deal? Okay, news in 8 minutes. Ooh, I don't know. This trade gave me a chance to get out of break even. Well, I don't know. Let's see what happens here. We still have some minutes before news. I totally hear you, Adrian. Adrian says these accounts make me nervous. Everyone, please smash that like button if you haven't already. Yeah, interesting. Okay, Rocky says, I just wish the pros allowed full micro scaling. You know what the pros allow though? Max contract size. What I think that would be good for is if you're like a scalper, like if you're just trying to scalp 5 ticks, which I did go over the rules, you guys, because someone's trying to spread some FUD about my funded futures and the 15-second rule. There's no longer a 15-second rule. That went away this summer, and instead of 15-second rule for scalping, it's actually 4 ticks, 4 or more ticks. I think it said more than 4 ticks. So go with 5 ticks just to be safe. Like that's what I'm doing. I just made a bracket for it. 5 tick scalp. So that's the minimum rule with my funded futures. And there's no time, which is awesome if you're a scalper, if you're just going in during volatility. Like if we have a massive move and you just jump in and just let the bracket do its job, that is something. Oh, we have another inside bar. Dang it, I'm on the wrong side. Okay, this is probably going to take me out. Oh, it already took two of them out. This is an eval. I am trying to pass and smash. Let's see what happens. It is 40% off on Lucid. Okay, 5 minutes until news hits. It'll probably take me out. It's okay. Boo, boo. Okay, let's go real quick. We have 5 minutes. Should I just exit all so that we could go look at the news? We'll just let it do its work. I don't have to pay attention, right? Because the brackets are in. Okay, Lucid rules and the sale. So here is this one. Okay, Lucid Flex payouts. The rules. So you must be eligible for a payout from Lucid Flex account. So you must not violate any trading rules, terms, conditions, or the Lucid Flex agreement. Okay, and payout requests are final once submitted. We can trade news with Lucid, by the way. There are no rules about that. Also, there are no flipping rules, which is great. And with this account, we can withdraw into the buffer. So the split is 90-10. And this is similar to my funded futures 5 with the my funded futures core accounts. You need 5 winning days depending on your account size. So I am in the 100K eval right now. So I would need 5 of these $200 or more days. Net profit in payout cycles. Traders must have positive net profit, even just $1 during each payout cycle in order to request a payout. Oh, that's sweet. So we just need to be net by $1. Minimum payout request is $500. Oh, there is a maximum too. So here's a maximum. There is no buffer balance that must be maintained in Lucid Flex funded accounts. Okay, excellent. There's no fixed payout window. I like that. And once approved, funds will be deducted from your account within a few minutes. Excellent. Excellent. So here is the overall rules. I will get this to you guys and I will put it into chat. Oh, look, it took my stop. Oh, that's funny. This went away. Okay. Oh, I know. This is my my funded futures in eval. I'm like, weird. What's going on? So, oh, okay. Here's my Lucid. Yep, it took me out. So this inside bar is printing. Good luck, everyone. If you're in a trade, news is about to break in less than 1 minute. Market is pumping higher. Are we going to take that overnight high, maybe on the news? The overnight high is 678. I think, let's see here. Let's do a bracket buy, stop. Maybe the news will take us into this trade. Okay, news is out. Whew, it almost tagged me in. Oh, hey, Tris. Tris says 25K account is easy to pass compared to others. Yeah, I haven't really traded the 25Ks. I have every now and then, but that's what I heard. The 25Ks are very easy to pass compared to the other ones. Hey, Billo, NQ Trend Sniper, Ins. Okay, the numbers are bad. Let's take a look. ADP, non-farm payroll. Yeah. Oh, job market slowing down. Okay, so the forecast was 5K. What actually came out was negative 32K. Sometimes bad news is good news. So let's wait and see how the market's going to react. And sometimes how the market reacts in pre-market is different than the way the market will react in New York. Yeah, so that is lower than expected for sure. So less jobs. But does that mean it's good? Because that means it's more likely the Federal Reserve will, this is the news candle, right? This one? No, this one. We're still in it. Okay. And I am not going to do a sell stop on that order then. Let's see what happens. So far, it's not liking it in pre-market. Ooh, okay, I actually like this now. Okay, we are tagged in. I'm gonna get rid of, get rid of this. Wait, get rid of this one. Oh, you guys, I can't even see my orders. This chart. Okay, I get rid of this one too. Dang it. Okay. Wait, we want this one. We have to get rid of this one. There. Yay, let's go, let's go. It's coming down. This is the 15-minute chart. Maybe we'll even go here. Come on down. Thank you for subscribing, whoever you are. Hey, Yannick, good morning. Rocky Mountain says, I don't hold trades into news almost ever. I was hanging on to a trade during New York, during a stream on my funded futures, and I was like, okay, like I think liquidity, we should be fine because it's during New York opening time. I held on to it, and it was like it skipped prices. And I can't remember if my trade turned out to be okay or not. But yeah, it wasn't good. Even during New York, when you think there's like a ton of liquidity, it still skipped prices. Okay, this trade is working. Let's hope it continues in that direction. So this is the 715 candle. This is the actual news candle. Let's go. We're up. Nasdaq is up by 50 points. I'm kind of tempted to bring it down even more. Let's go for like a 1-to-1 on this news candle. There's room to run. If this will continue coming down, there's room. Sometimes the market just needs a little push. And maybe this news catalyst might be the push, right? Like just push it into the pool so it can go swimming. Come on, NQ. Oh, congratulations! Yannick won 2 Tradeify accounts. Let's go, congratulations, that's awesome. What type of accounts, Yannick, from Tradeify? Rocky says, jobs to add 10,000 jobs in November, but the actual number was a loss of 32K. Ooh, our trade's working! Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, the TP is at 626. Let's have a little music. Come on down. Ooh, nice. No Luck Pure Skill likes the trade. Let's go. No Luck Pure Skill, are you in short? Pure Skill has quite some good reads. Makes me feel more confident, Pure Skill, when we're on the same side of the trade. Let's go. Thank you so much, guys. Well, hopefully it continues. We never know. It can just reverse on us. This is an eval, so I am being very aggressive. Thanks, ICT. I do, I'll tell you why I like it. I like it because it's a smaller range from overnight. I like it because we were trading at the high of that range, which is also the high of yesterday. There is some resistance above there. And I like it because this push, this news catalyst, the initial reaction was negative to the market, like the market didn't like it. And I also like it because we're up 40 points. And I would like to see it go back to unchanged. That's why I like it. So unchanged would be 606 about. My TP is at 626. It's doable. It's doable. We'll just let it cook. Yeah, sometimes these trades just take time, right? Like sometimes it just doesn't happen instantly. Sometimes it takes time for it to move, make its way down. I know when I first started trading, I would get like so nervous. I would feel like let's say if I was targeting like, I don't know, 10 points, a break below here, I would like like it would go 2-3 points in my direction, and then I would feel like, is it going to reverse? And then I would just like want to close it out, and then I would sit there and I would watch it run in my direction by easily like another 20 points. I think once that's happened to you enough, you're like, okay, it's fine. I can sit with this. And whether maybe it works, maybe it doesn't, right? We just have to fully accept it and be okay with that. And if we're not okay with it, then we need to reduce size. Just keep reducing size, I think, until you feel like, okay, I'm okay with this. And even then, like maybe it's the strategy that's making you feel really nervous. Because for some people, being a breakout trader isn't their jam, because it makes you feel like super nervous because you're selling the lows and hoping to cover lower, and buying high, hoping to sell higher. So that could be it too. Yeah, there are just so many different elements, I feel like. Oh wow, Pure Skill says you already shorted three accounts today. Let's go. You're out at 50% profits. Congratulations. That always feels so good, hitting that 50% mark. Okay, now this is looking like it could be a reversal. Let's see. I still like it. This would be like a 1-to-1 off this news candle. So if you were going for a 1-to-1, it would actually be down here, your TP. So I still like it. The trade is not invalid yet. Hopefully it won't become invalid. Hey TTBZ. Yeah, I just, with the evals, I'm just super aggressive with them. Not all the time. It is something that I need to work on, but this is a bracket I had on the 200 bracket. So that's $200 for $200 times 2 would be 400. But I did move it, didn't I? So this is 14 points, times 2 is what? 28 points. Ooh, doing mental math gymnastics this morning. Yeah, some consolidation. Definitely. Loading for a higher move? No, no, no. No, Pure Skill, don't say that. Uh-oh. This is looking like it wants to reverse. It's looking like it wants to reverse. It's reversing. Okay, so this is at the 50% mark of the news candle. Let's see if the buyers are willing to pay up more than 50%. Are these true buyers, or is it just a short squeeze? These people getting short squeezed and just covering, and there might not be any real follow through, right? So let's see here. The market will tell us shortly what is the case. Short squeeze or true reversal. Oh, thanks, TTBZ. TTBZ says, I see nothing wrong with going in on evals. Yeah, it's like, evals, passing evals. Like, once you've done it a bunch of times, you're just like, okay, I have to pass the eval, right? Yeah, I know. It's difficult to not stay patient with them. Hey, FX billionaire. I don't teach my strategy like outside of streaming. So if you ever see something, definitely let me know, because there are like fake scammers and stuff out there. And every time I see an account, I squash it right away. So definitely let me know. But yeah, right now I'm just sharing my journey and sharing kind of what I'm working on, what I'm looking at. And but no, I don't have any courses or anything, FX billionaire. One day, I think I just want to get there first, right? Like I want to be a better trader myself before I like make a course for people, because I think I just have a ton to work on. I could teach a absolute beginner though, like the basics. Like, okay, what is a candlestick? What is you know, a bid and an ask? What does the market do? What is this? What is that? Yeah, I could definitely teach like a brand new beginner. Hey, hey, Alfred! As long as you're okay with potentially losing money on the eval purchase, go all in. If you don't have the money to lose, take your time on the eval. Yeah, that's really good advice. We all have like different financial situations, and depending on your financial situation, like it might not be a good idea to do pass and smash, right? And then for other people, like if you're getting payouts, then for you it might be like, oh, okay, like I'm just gonna weigh the fact that my time is valuable and I want to get through this as quickly as possible. Like when Ike was on our show, he told us that for him it's pass or smash because it's not worth it for him. Like his time is money, and he's like, I've got to just like pass these. So yeah, everyone's so different. Thank you, Alfred. That was really good advice. 8:30 incoming, usually some volatility injection. Nice. Okay, so far, if this candle closes down, if the next candle closes down, then that will make me think that this was just a short squeeze off of this news candle and not a true reversal. So Alfred will be on the show tomorrow. I cannot wait, Alfred. I Googled gamma again to try and refresh myself about gamma. And I'm still kind of confused because like gamma is it's one of the Greeks in options, and it's a measurement of the speed of delta. But I still don't understand how like, yeah, I've heard of like gamma levels, and that tells you where the institutions are positioned, or just the majority of people are positioned in options. And when price comes to a really big gamma level, basically those players have to hedge their position. So like, let's say the market's, okay, in this example, let's hope the market's going down. If the market's going down and we have a ton of institutions, like let's say a gamma level is at 640 here. And so as it gets closer, they have to hedge by selling, I believe. And then the opposite, I believe, is true. Like if there are a really big level above us, if market's going higher, then those institutions with those massive options positions, we're talking tons of money. In order for them to stay neutral, they have to buy. And I think people use that as like an indicator with their trading, because if you know the big players are going to buy to hedge that level, it can be fuel. I believe that is how the idea behind all of that is. But Alfred will be able to share some more information with us when he's on tomorrow morning. Alfred, was that a pretty good description? Super basic, super quick, like 10-second It was probably more than 10 seconds. A few minutes of description of gamma. I look at delta and I look at theta when I'm selling or buying options. And I mostly only buy and sell spreads. Oh, thank you, Rocky. Export prices 0 versus negative 0.1 expected. Okay. Interesting. Thank you, Rocky. Hey, I nailed it. Thank you, Alfred. Alfred says pretty much explained how I look at gamma. Yeah, it'll be really interesting though for you to kind of show us and so we can see with our eyes like what you're looking at, kind of how you do it. Alfred says, I'm not an expert, but I use the levels as confluence. Sweet. Alfred, you get massive payouts. Alfred is in the Pro Plus accounts with Take Profit Trader, which is their live accounts. Alfred is a GOAT trader. You're like many levels beyond us, Alfred. So to us, we think you're an expert. I know. I think like we're just always working on our games, right? Like someone who's brand new who can't pass an eval probably looks at me and says, "Oh my gosh, like Terri, you're such an amazing trader." And I'm like, "Oh gosh, no. I have so much I need to work on, like so much." And then yeah, I just think like we're always working on our game. So Alfred, I think you are an incredible trader. And I'm so excited to have you on tomorrow. Hey, Rish. Corey says Alfred is a unicorn of trading. Totally. And we get to have the unicorn on here tomorrow morning. Awesome. Pure Skills says, let's go, Alfred. Loved it when you were on Terry's show. Yeah, it's so fun to have people on the show. Let me know if you're interested. Anyone else, if you want to come hang out. Rose, are you out there? I've been trying to get Rose to come on. Oh, Gabor, there is a giveaway going on my X account. Please go to Terri Trades 100 on X. I am giving away 5 My Funded Future core accounts from My Funded Futures. And that will be announced, the winners will be announced Friday after market close. Yeah, so go over there and just scroll on my timeline. You'll see it. I posted it maybe like on Sunday or Monday. Hey, you want to come hang out too? Scout Parella? Okay, let me know. Here is my email. Oh, actually, do you know what? Follow me on X and then send me a DM. That's probably the easiest way. On X, my handle is the same as my YouTube. Terri Trades 100. Oh, yeah. Okay, I just highlighted myself. Rish, what are we looking at in Q today? Well, we're just going kind of bar by bar. This is looking like the bulls. We were hoping, remember on this candle, I was like, okay, we need another candle to close down. And then I'm feeling good, like it was just a short cover. Now it's looking like it wants to retrace this whole news candle. So we're a little bit above 50% here. I'm not liking this, gang. Okay, I am going to exit. Whew. Yuck. Yes. ICT stopped. Me too. Oh, you do? Let me look. Scalp Barella. What's your handle on X? Thank you for subscribing. Yeah, I feel like this was really crappy, but it's okay. This is an eval. We're down about $1,000. It's a-okay. Oh, okay. Scalprella's X handle is at the underscore LOA underscore 888. 888. Oh, there you are. NQ Day Trader Sports Better. For real, girl? That's so awesome. Where are you trading out of? Like what country? That's so cool that you do sports betting too. Yeah, I don't know. No luck, pure skill. I think I'm going to wait until New York opens to kind of see. Yeah, we could grind higher because sometimes bad news is good news. That is potentially what could happen. Okay. Oh, Scalbrella says my fund of futures is the real MVP. Took less than 10 seconds from payout request to hit your Rise account. Let's go. Girl, you're killing it. Okay, were you not able to message me because I wasn't following you back? I just followed you back. So, send me a message. Would love to have you on. Oh, good luck, charting queen. You are long from 640. Thank you everyone for joining. Make sure you smash that like button. I've got to run to get ready for the My Funded Future stream. I will be on there in about 20 minutes. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I hope everyone has a green day. And if you have a red day, I hope it's a small red day. And tomorrow we have Alfred on. Yes, he's going to share with us some information about gamma and how he uses it to help his trading. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.